What's up guys, Mr. DS18, and thank you for tuning in to another unboxing video. Check this out, the new PRO-X4.4BMSL, a new slim speaker, 4 inches. It will fit in anywhere, dash, door, panel, wherever you need to fit it. We found the solution for you guys. Let's open this bad boy up so you guys can check it out, check out the motor, then we're gonna connect it, play some songs so you guys can listen to it. Here we go. We got manual, and then we got this speaker. Check out the size of this thing. It's beautiful. I can't explain, but it's amazing. It looks so sleek, so well built. You know, you have the nice DS18 basket red. Check out the back part, completely slim. This thing will fit in anywhere, any tight spots, it'll make it happen. Nice red chrome bullet, paper surround, cloth, real nice, real nice, 4 inches. This is a 4 ohm. Specs, this is 100 watts RMS, 200 watts max power. Frequency response is 200, or let's see, let's find out. Let's not guess, let's read. Frequency response is 260 hertz all the way to 11 kilohertz. Sensitivity on this thing is 89 dBs, 1-inch voice coil. Insane. I like it. Now let's connect it. Let's listen to this thing. See how loud it can go. So here we are, we're connected. Let me go and turn on the amplifier real quick. Turn on the amplifier, high pass filter, ready, grab the phone, we're connected. Let's look for a song here. Check this out. Crystal clear. Insanely loud. Yes, sir. There you guys have it. This thing can get down, can get loud. 4 inches, slim, will fit anywhere. I'm telling you guys, this thing does a pretty amazing job. And there you guys have it. We have it available in stock. Make sure you check it out. Thank you guys for tuning in to all our unboxing videos. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.